In the SD-WAN overview and challenges sections, we really want to start to understand some of the different components and particularly what is the need, what is the drive for SD-WAN. Now we think about kind of traditional networking. It was deployed when basically we had a very clearly defined security perimeter. Most applications out there were low bandwidth. Most contents resided in corporate data centers. But today, things are very, very different. High bandwidth, real-time, big data applications are really pushing the limits of what's going on within our network. In some cases, the majority of traffic is destined for the internet or for the public cloud, all right? And we have to take a look at how to handle these problems. As we move towards this cloud usage, in particular, software as a service, and with different applications like Microsoft Office 365, Google Apps, Box, and others. And so it's been very, very popular, but what is the effect? The number of devices are increasing. People are bringing their own different devices. And really, in a lot of cases, video has kind of become the new voice, where we had, all kinds of cool voice traffic for a long time, but now video is becoming the norm. And so we're seeing this go ahead and really give a lot of high bandwidth applications. And so we look at kind of these legacy networks and we look at some of the kind of the challenges there, all right? Part of it is going to be cost-based, because especially when we start having this traffic go over expensive MPLS links to go to internet locations or cloud locations that can eat up a lot of our bandwidth. Can get a lot of complexity here, where we have kind of this distributed control plane model, and every node has to be configured with specific routing and specific security rules, and it could take a while to deploy these networks, right? To get these networks up and running could take quite a bit of time. And so we wanted to come up with some better solutions. And so we start thinking about that. We're like, okay, well, how can we reduce, some of the cost and complexity here? And so we look at moving into this next generation of software-defined WAN networking. We need to take a look at today's cloud-enabled environments. Everything out there is becoming more and more cloud-based. We need to do things like pull out the management plane, the control plane, and the data plane separately so we can scale them. We want to go ahead and make sure that we provide flexible management solutions, whether it is cloud-hosted, which is generally what people lean towards, or if we have environments where they want to go ahead and deploy it on-premise. We need to support both of those. We want to be able to rapidly bring up new sites. And that's going to be one of the things that's really amazing with this product, is this idea of zero-touch provisioning, which we've talked about in Cisco.